Here we are doing skill set 1 of LibreOffice daily computing. Now in LibreOffice, okay, we are using LibreWriter. In that we are creating a resume. Now in this resume, the resume should contain the following: the title at the center with the applicable font and size. So you have to make title, we have to put in the center with the applicable font and size. Then it should be contain points such as name, address, mobile number, date of birth, nationality, caste, category, hobbies, etc. Add some extra point. For educational qualification, a student should insert a table. At the end, student should write a few lines about their aim. So now this is the steps, okay. First click on LibreOffice Writer icon and create on a new file. That I already done it. Libre create on new text document, so this page will open. Then write title at the center with applicable font size resume. So you have to type resume, select, make it bold, control B or you press bold and put this on center. And if you want, like, increase the font size, make it to 36. So I have increased the font size also. Now in this, make it 10, put this on center, enter. So we have done this step also. From here till here we have completed. Just highlighting it. Then step 4, type name, address, mobile number. So I am writing name, press colon, Abbas Lalani. After name you have to write address, enter, colon, Canada building, second, press tab, flow, Baikalla, enter, Mumbai 40010. After address you have to put mobile number, MOBILE mobile number 9812345678. After mobile number put date of birth, 1st January 2000. Then nationality, Indian. Then caste, whichever caste you belong to. Then hobbies, driving, swimming, tab, cricket. Enter. We have finished till this. Write a step, write student qualification, insert table, create table, insert table, select number of rows and column and insert. So go to table, insert table, press enter. Yeah. default table style. Here what we need to write, educational qualification, educational qualification. Here you can write one more also, computer qualification, educational SSC passed, computer qualification MS Office, advanced Excel and Tally. So we have written this. Make this in font size 20. Make this education qualification in bold, computer qualification also in bold. Then we have completed the step also. Now step 6, write some line about the aim. Select the text and make it bold by clicking on bold from the following toolbar. So here aim, already it is in bold, to become software developer. So we have written aim also. Now after completing the practical, student will learn how to create resume using LibreOffice, also tab setting by table creation. So our resume is ready. You can see here is my resume. We had fulfilled all the question criteria. We'll go through once again. LibreOffice, create a resume. The resume should contain the following: title at the center with applicable font size. So title is at the center. It should be contain fonts such as name, address, mobile number, date of birth, nationality, caste, hobbies, category. So all things we had put in. Then for educational qualification, a student should insert a table. So we had inserted a table also. These are the steps that we had follow, and then we have write the aim also, and we have completed this practical. I hope you have understood. If you have any question, you can always ask me.